Everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbisani. Hope you are doing great. Also, we have one dilemma that whether the NEET MDS 2023 examination will be postponed or not. Today or tomorrow or in just few days we will get to know, but there are the chances that it will not get postponed, or on the other hand there are the chances that it will get postponed only up to the May. So right now we are such in a dilemma situation that we all are saying just one thing to each and other aspirants, that please focus on your preparation. I know your stress level is increased, your anxiety level are also increased. People are literally traumatized that whether they focus on their preparation or whether they not, because of the rumors as well as the tension regarding the postponement. See, it is a very tough thing to say someone to focus on your preparation while we know that there are the chances that it may get postponed. But still, have you thought of the second side of the coin, that if it is not postponed and you haven't prepared very well, then what will be the consequences? That's why, to be on a safer side, I suggest you to focus on your preparation. If you have some anxiety level or some kind of a stress, you can DM me, book your counseling session and talk to me, get yourself counseled, right? Do certain systematic preparation in such a way that it will not stress or burden you at all. Just like the first method is, you can watch and practice more image-based question, and which are definitely important for your NEET MDS preparation, because that will make you a little stress-free and cover most important topics of NEET MDS also. Followed by that, you can cover your preparation in a very funny and in a very interesting way, right? Second thing is, you can follow me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen. Instagram ID contains the Instagram story feature, and in that I used to put the clinical questions as well as the other past paper related questions or the other practice MCQs in the Instagram story. So you can come follow me there and practice the MCQs free, right? Followed by that, the third method is, you can join the test series, which is of very nominal fee, that is rupees 3500 for a month. And these are the features of the test series, so you can join that. Definitely your weekends will be free, so as you can prepare for the upcoming test, or if you have your coaching or your study material or something which is on your weekend and already scheduled, so you can cope up with that too, right? The fifth thing is subject strategy. Already there is lots of videos out on my channel regarding it, but now as we have just last 29 days, suppose right now condition is, then how you are going to prepare for your NEET MDS examination. See, first key is, stop doing negative self-talk. Then only you will get more confidence, more focus and more concentration over the NEET MDS preparation, right? The second is the subject strategy, that is, if you are a fresher and you are preparing it for the first time, right? You are familiar with the third year or final year subjects more, but you are not so much familiar with the first year and second year subject. So give more time to the first year and second year subject. Try to cover it in 2-3 days maximum, and then have some separate time for the revision also, right? And on the other hand, for the final year subjects which you are familiar with, as you have just completed your internship or your final year, right? So you can cover those subjects in the form of practicing the clinical questions, practicing the MCQs, or covering the important topics, because that will help you to give a strategy to cover the syllabus in a minimum time, right? Next step is you can join the Study Manager online program, which is totally organized by me. Yes, in which you can get the notes, you can get your routine schedule, you can get the perfect timetable, you can get the management strategies so as you can manage your studies, whether you are a final year student or whether you are a NEET MDS aspirant, right? get routine yourself with the study as well as the posting if you are a final year student. And if you are a NEET MDS aspirant, and if you are a NEET MDS aspirant and you have the study material with you, then get your routine scheduled under my guidance. Yes, you get your timetable, you get habitual of it under my guidance by task-based things, task-based studies, and then you can prepare it very well. Along with that, there are the sets of 5 years, 10 papers, or even the last 10 years papers of NEET MDS with solution. So you can have it by DM me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen. You can ask for it, do the payment, and then have it on your WhatsApp in just 5 minutes, right? So all these are the methods. They are the helpful methods, and don't forget to stay connected on my YouTube channel, because definitely NEET MDS related videos and the preparation videos are on the way. So they are coming from today onwards. Just like we are going to start in such a manner that by clinical question I will be covering a final year subject, and by lecture method I will be covering a first year subject, because that will help you to run two-way strategy of the preparation for the NEET MDS. Like one side you are covering a final year subject, and on the other side you are covering the first year subject. So this will help you to cover whole syllabus in a very short time, and that too in a very systematic manner, right? That's all about all the NEET MDS related information as well as the strategy that you can opt in these remaining days, right? For any query or any kind of the assistance, you can DM me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen. Don't forget to follow me there also. Along with that, if you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.